welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the proper storage of your weed eater. You want to have your weed eater horizontal. You don't want to stand it up, because if you stand up your weed eater, then it's going to mess up your fuel, the carburetor, or what have you. I don't know what's going to mess up, but it messes it up. It makes it hard to start. It makes it hard to start. And so don't stand up your weed eater. You want to lay it horizontal, either on the ground or up in the air. I got hooks up here so I can have it horizontal, but you want to have it upright, and you don't want the fuel and oil to be upside down, and because I believe it can make it to the spark chamber, but I'm not sure. But I know from experience that the proper way is just have it upright, and that way you can take it out just like so. And I got a video on how to start it every time. Usually you flip it on, and then you prime it 5 or 6 times until you feel it full a little bit, and then this goes up, and then you pull this about 3 or 4 times. I'm gonna do one-handed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it might shut off, and then you move it down. It might shut off. Now, when it does shut off, that's when you do it again. You move the choke to the middle right here, and you don't need to know if it's blocking the fuel intake or what. All you need to know is it goes in the middle, and then there you go. That's how you get your weed eater to start. But horizontal, just like so, side to side. That's how, and face up like that. That's how you want to store your weed eater and keep it out of the rain, keep it out of the elements. And I usually put it in here. I'm actually going to try to do this one-handed outside my shed. I felt very accomplished when I built this shed. I had to go get a permit, and probably spent more money building it than I did if I would have just bought one prepaid. But you get a whole lot more satisfaction out of doing something yourself than, going out and, not that there's anything wrong with going out and buying a pre-made thing, but I do sometimes too. I mean, I didn't build this weed eater. It's someone manufactured it, engineered it, manufactured it, and built it. But this is usually how I store my weed eater. It's horizontal, upright. The gas is up. The oil spark plug is up. Everything's up. It's not upside down, because when it's upside down, the fluids, it's gravity, so they don't flow very well. But this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day.